Hello student, please subscribe my channel. We discuss biomolecule and pH structure, how pH makes the structure of lysine different. This we discuss over here. So first you should know that lysine is the structure. It is having two amino group. One amino group is present at alpha carbon and second amino group is present in the side chain, and there is one carboxylic group is attached to the this alpha carbon and one hydrogen is present. Okay, this is alpha amino acids. Now we will see that here COH-PK is 2.18, NH2, this NH2 side chain alpha amino group is having 8.95 pK and side chain amino group is having 10.5 pK value. These are basic units here now, and this is acidic unit. Now what will happen when pH is very low, 1 to 2.8? At that time, since these are basic in nature, they have low pair of electrons, so they get protonated. They will take this H positive from the acid, and they both of amino group are protonated. So this is dication is obtained. There are three ionizable H group are present. 3 protons we can get. Okay, and so it is triprotic. We can say 3 protons we are getting from here, and here only 2 positive charge, so we call it dication. And this is acidic in nature, this is acidic in nature, this is acidic in nature. So there are 3 acidic groups are present in when pH is 1 to 2.8. And how many positive charge? 2 positive charge total. Now after that, after pH 2.8 to pH 7, so now COH group is deprotonated. Okay, these will remain as such because their pK value much higher, 8.95, 10.5. So only this is deprotonated. And when pH range total charge will be how much? This is 2 positive and 1 negative. So add them together, only 1 positive charge, unique cation, 1 positive charge will be there. And after pH 7 to 8.95, at that moment this alpha amino group, which is having 8.95 pK, that will be deprotonated. So now total 1 proton positive, 1 negative, so this is neutral. And after this 10.53, so how much charge? No charge. 10.53 side chain also deprotonated. So this is deprotonated, this is also deprotonated, only 1 negative charge. So this is anion. So what does it mean? Case 1 to dication, case 2 here neutral, case 3 neutral, and this is case 2 is cation, one single cation, case 3 0 charge, case 4 negative charge. So 0 negative, 0 charge, +1 +2.